In this video, we're going to talk about CIA triad. This is the guiding model for information security and confidentiality, integrity, availability. These are the three security pillars. First, let's talk about confidentiality. Confidentiality talks about protecting data from unauthorized access. How is it implemented? It is implemented through access control, following the least privilege rule, and then also encryption methods. So we should limit access so that the right person gets the access and the wrong person does not get the access. So that is what confidentiality about. That is the first core security principle that we need to adhere to. The second one is integrity. Integrity talks about consistency and quality of data, and we need to give proper right permissions so that only authorized personnel will access the data, and then there is no tampering involved. There is no tampering of data. So the integrity of the data should be maintained always. So this is the second core principle or the second security pillar in the CIA triad. Then the third one is availability. So we need to make sure that the systems and databases are available 24/7. The applications are available 24/7. They are accessible when they are needed. So this is the third important security pillar. And in databases, we have redundancy, replicas, failover strategies, etc. to make sure that the databases are available 24/7. So this is the third core security principle in CIA triad. And the next one we are talking about is non-repudiation. So what is this non-repudiation? The non-repudiation means we are able to provide evidence that an individual has performed certain action. Let's say somebody deleted data, we can identify who did that, right? Or in terms of digital signatures, so we use digital signatures in cryptography to be able to check for non-repudiation. So that is through the certificates. And then let's take a common scenario for DBAs. So as DBAs, let's say the team has 10 team members. A lot of times we use the common DBA user, for example, admin user or DBA or whatever, right? So if we do that, we are not following the principle of non-repudiation. Similarly, when you give the common usernames to 10 different individual members of the app team, instead of giving separate ID for each of the member in the app team, that also violates the core security principle of non-repudiation. Of course, this is not a big deal when compared to the certificates and the other non-repudiation criteria, but still very valid point.